it's Saca, and welcome back, moving my hand a lot, welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I will be testing, can you freeze Chick-fil-A? And, if so, how do you cook it once it is thawed? So, we are going to figure that out. And I'm gonna let y'all figure that out with me. So let's get into it. So a few weeks ago, I was on a diet and I couldn't eat Chick-fil-A, which meant the diet was like absolutely miserable. I basically live off of Chick-fil-A, so it was especially hard for me. But I froze a chicken sandwich that I had a reward for. It was completely frozen, then I got it out of the freezer like an hour ago, put it in our fridge, and that's what it looks like, people. First, separate the buns from the chicken. All right, there we have the chicken and the buns. I know for sure that the buns I will toast in a toaster, but I don't know how I'm gonna do the chicken part. Okay, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I am going to put my chicken fillet on the plate. There is a frozen dinner button on the microwave. Speed defrost. I think I might go with that. I don't know what that does. I only ever push the buttons. Or actually, I don't even press the buttons. I just press that like 5 times. So I've never explored the upper territory of the microwave, but we shall see. Rest in peace, my little chicken. Oh, yes. Well, it's not doing anything. Yeah. It's not doing anything. Why is it not doing anything? Oh, start, that. No, the door is shut. What? Defrost. No, okay, it's not doing anything. Personally, I think the number one thing that I don't want is for it to be soggy. It's on frozen dinner. Please let it work. These I also don't want to be soggy. Who knew?
Oh no.
But there is actually a button on the toaster for defrost. So it's gonna defrost. And this is starting to smell like Chick-fil-A. So I'm just gonna like open it. Oh my, okay, it's sizzling. Kind of like remove it so that the juices don't get on it and it ends up soggy. So let me just. Oh. Hopefully the juices will not make it not good. Just gonna kind of beat it. So now I have placed it like that, and I will place it back in the microwave just to see what happens. Just set it for 30 seconds, and now I'm coming over to look at my bun, which is, oh my goodness, it actually worked. That actually looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Now look at the other one. Guys, the defrost button actually works. Like, that's really cool. Okay, cool. I don't know how to like get it to stay up while holding a phone. Oh my goodness. I have a feeling there's gonna be like a really good. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Ah! Coming back over to the microwave. I shall let all of those juices just kind of soak up. And now we assemble. I have a fresh plate here. I'm going to take the buns and put them. I shall take the chicken from the chicken sandwich. Honestly, I hope these edges aren't burnt because they look kind of burnt, but hopefully not. I shall place it on there. I ate the pickles before I froze it, so no pickles today. And we shall see. Does this taste like it would if I hadn't frozen it? If you're on a diet and you have a reward expiring that you can't use otherwise, and you don't want it to go to waste, and you don't want Harrison to eat it, then you will simply do this. Chick-fil-A sauce. First, I'm gonna try it without the sauce just to kind of see. Definitely burnt the edges. Let's see, the bun tastes great. Honestly, I wish Chick-fil-A buns were like this amount of crispiness, because it's not like burnt or like too crispy, but it's like perfect. All right. As you can see, the chicken is not white anymore. The chicken is brown because it burnt. for the edges, we use El Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but this is like a thicker spot. So it's like a lighter colored chicken than right here, where it's like dark. But like, that's how burnt it is. So there was this like really big chunk of burnt chicken, but then on the other side, the chicken is always whiter on the other side. If we've learned anything from this, I would say we probably learned that the frozen dinner button on a microwave is not the best option. While it's censoring, it is burning. I feel like the buns ended up perfect. But just for reference, because this ended up actually working out very well where it wasn't soggy, I did have the sandwich in the refrigerator for an hour before I put it into the process. Well, people, my phone rudely died. It's as though it didn't know that I was trying to experiment and vlog it. But that being said, it still had all the flavors. It was crunchy, too crunchy. Does anyone else just have a bag full of sauces from Chick-fil-A? I mean, there might be 2 sauces that aren't Chick-fil-A in here, but everything else is Chick-fil-A. We're not stealing from Chick-fil-A. It's just that, you know, they give us more sauce than we need. And instead of just being like, oh, no, that's enough, we're like, oh, wonderful. I realized that I forgot to film an outro. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below.
A second ago. Why is it an outro now?
As I was
Like
finishing.
and subscribe.
Thank you, Harrison, for that helpful piece of.
Dislike.
Don't dislike.
I know YouTube won't let you see how many dislikes there are, but it's okay. I see it, and God sees it. So, lots of dislikes on this video. Please, guys, make it happen. Let's go.
Not really. But comment down below if your family has a massive collection of Chick-fil-A sauces. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out all of my other videos. I'll see you all in my next video.
If this video doesn't end up